Girls who grow up today in poverty-stricken communities in Senegal, similar to other developing countries, face various constraints that limit the development of their full potential. First of all, they often suffer the consequences of harmful traditional practices, such as female genital mutilation and early and forced marriage. Second, they may be exposed to other risks in the environments in which they grew up, such as teenage pregnancy, which can greatly limit their chances of continuing their education, and thereby ruining their dreams for a better future in today's world. In addition, the breakdown in family cohesiveness and especially the limited communication between generations can deprive girls of the support and guidance that they need to optimize their development in today's world. Between 2008 and 2011, the Girls Holistic Development Project was implemented in southern Senegal by World Vision with technical support from the Grandmother Project. In order to support girls' growth and development, this action research project aimed to strengthen communication between the generations, to increase parental involvement in guiding and supporting girl children as they grow up, and to heighten appreciation of positive traditional cultural practices that were being lost, while at the same time discouraging harmful traditional practices. The project involved all community members who play a role in the education of and decision-making concerning girls, parents, community leaders, teachers, religious leaders, adolescents themselves, and especially grandmothers, in order to build an environment where girls can grow up in harmony with their past and present contexts. Grandmothers in particular, who are the custodians of traditional values, became real leaders in guiding the process to change social norms that affect the development of girl children.
taali en dippi en ha e jiɓɓi wonno jiɓɓi law sabu ɗin jonjimtaki ko noon mawɓe rewɓe ɗi kañɓe gandi ɗe mbawa ɗumen yimande taniraɓe ɓe ganda hanki hoɗum ɓe jimanno hoɗum ɓe mbaɗanno ɓe pijirlode kala koɓe mbaɗanno hanki ɓen ɗe cirtina ɗumen.
Grandmother Project is an American non-profit organization that was founded in 2005. It has developed an innovative approach to working with communities in which cultural realities and community dialogue are key features. This approach is based on three central concepts: acknowledging and involving grandmothers as change agents, strengthening dialogue between the generations, applying participatory communication methods with elicit critical thinking and decision-making by community members.
Les gens ne discutaient pas, ils n'étaient pas ouverts entre eux-mêmes dans la famille. Mais après, à travers ce projet, vraiment, je sens que tout le monde est free. Ce projet a mis en relation tout le monde. Les jeunes, les vieux, les femmes, les vieilles mamans. Donc tout le monde est en relation maintenant et en parfaite synergie.
The mission of Grandmother Project is to provide support to other development organizations by helping them integrate these three concepts into their programs dealing with the health and well-being of children, adolescents, and women.
ɓen kala min keɓi teddugal le mumen ɓe jaɓani minen do komin kalani ɓe yo ko ɗum ɓe mbaɗa oɗum wuytiɗe ni wuyti beñoji ɗi minen mamaji ɗi e alqurana o museji ɗi ɗi kaala minen kaala minen jekira taali minen jekira dippi.
Given the central role of formal education in young people's lives, the Grandmother Project approach involves close collaboration with local schools in order to strengthen relationships between teachers and communities and to introduce positive traditional values into school programs.
aujourd'hui les enfants, tout un chacun a l'ambition d'aller de l'avant dans les études. Mais autant, surtout les filles, veulent coûte que coûte aller au collège ou même aller plus loin. Mais avec le projet qui traite directement avec la communauté, la sensibilisation est plus large. Et ce qui fait que le message est plus reçu par les jeunes filles.
L'autre élément également, c'est que la communauté est devenue beaucoup plus attachée à l'école. Parce que tout simplement, elles ont senti que l'école est devenue utile pour elles. Parce que tout simplement, elles ont compris que l'école n'est pas un élément étranger, qui n'est plus considéré comme étant un lieu de formation d'enfants qui vont être aliénés ou en tout cas qui vont être des éléments qui vont être des corps étrangers à la société, mais plutôt des éléments qui vont contribuer au développement de leur localité.
Traditional values are incorporated into schools by developing classroom materials that reflect local history and stories, but also by involving elders alongside of teachers in school activities. In addition, cultural events organized at the community level create a context in which all ages can participate, and they provide an opportunity for young people to link their past with their future.
Maintenant, il y a eu un changement parce que les grands-mères maintenant viennent à l'école et les enseignants aussi peuvent inviter les grands-mères et peuvent aller dans les communautés demander et discuter pour les enfants comment l'éducation traditionnelle est le modèle.
After 3 years of implementation of the Girls Holistic Development Project, intergenerational communication has been strengthened among community members, and a sense of social cohesion in the community is more evident than at the beginning of project activities.
Kalande makko wonta o ko wonta ko mawɓe rewɓe hoddara sukaaɓe mbiya ɗumen ko ni sukaaɓe joni mbattinodiri mawɓe rewɓe mbiya ɗumen joni ɗum ɗo hono way ɓe lamdo ɗum aada e cosaan min kalana law alano kono dilande maɓɓe projet fuɗɗi ɗum ɗo fuɗɗi woni amen ha heewi.
Strengthen relationships between teachers and community members, and particularly between teachers and grandmothers, have significantly contributed to reducing both teenage pregnancies and early marriage. There is now a consensus in all communities that female genital mutilation should be abandoned.
Nous, à travers nos cours déjà, on décourageait l'excision. Mais le message ne concernait que les élèves soit du CM1 ou du CM2. Mais avec le projet, le message concerne de la plus petite fille à la vieille grand-mère. Parce que la grand-mère est informée, la maman est informée, l'enfant aussi est informé au village, et on le répète encore au niveau de l'école.
Often in development programs, grandmothers are not explicitly involved, because it is assumed that they are too attached to tradition and refuse to change. Grandmother Project's experience has shown instead that grandmothers are open to change and are ready to engage in dialogue. They are willing to reconsider certain traditions, to listen to the ideas of young people, and to help them deal with present-day life while not forgetting their past.
Gokkambo mo ñaama hambo haara mbatta ɗum ɗo ɓaawa maɗa ɗo ɓeeɗa kala hippiɓe ɓe ɓen kala lawlina ɗumen ha laaɓa gokka ɗumen gude mumen laaɓɓe tuman joom o yoritto golle taw esira muɗum o addi pootu ndiyam
ɗum waɗi ha han a tawa cukayel hankisi a noddino ɗum a cukalɗe han keeɓi hersa keeɓi hakkillaji keeɓi teddungal hakkude mumen e mamaji mumen ɗi hakkude mumen e neneji mumen hakkude mumen e babaji mumen gandi hoɓe goni kotoji mumen.
The outcomes of the Girls Holistic Development Project confirm the idea that grandmothers are essential actors in all development programs that aim to promote changes in social norms dealing with the well-being of women, girls, and children.
C'est un projet qui unit les gens. Ce projet est en train d'unir les gens et en train de régler beaucoup de problèmes. Parce qu'il y avait des problèmes entre les gens, d'abord dans les maisons, il y avait des problèmes entre les gens dans les villages et même les villages environnants. Est-ce que tu as vu? Parce qu'il y avait des villages qui ne se parlaient pas depuis des années, qui ne se fréquentaient pas. Mais ce projet a réglé tous ces problèmes-là. Il y avait un vieux qui me disait que, mes amis, ce que vous êtes en train de faire là, vous n'avez même pas mesuré l'importance de votre projet. Parce que vous pensez que bon, vous êtes là, les gens sont avec vous, vous êtes en train de faire des forums intergénérationnels, des discussions. Mais vous êtes en train aussi de régler beaucoup d'autres problèmes socio-économiques. Est-ce que tu as vu? Donc c'est extraordinaire ce que les gens sont en train de faire.